We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett O here at Onyx, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the scanner glass, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M127fn. So what you're going to want to do is lift this hatch right here, then you'll see your plate-in glass, or it's also called a flatbed glass. So what you want to do is you want to take your favorite glass cleaner in a lint-free cloth, and you want to put your cleaner on the cloth. You never want to put your cleaner on the glass. So go ahead and clean the glass. Make sure you get in the corners. Do it nice and gently. We commonly see some whiteout or maybe pen marks on here. So if you're still seeing some spots after you clean it, go ahead and try to do it again. It may just need another cleaning. So once you get that clean, you should be good to go. If you're still seeing spots when you're using your top feeder or your ADF, go ahead and check this little strip right here. That may need some extra attention. If you're in need of any supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.